Two multifunction buttons exclusive to John Deere L-Series production class wheel loaders are integrated into the hydraulic control levers. Operators can choose from 9 different functions, assigning frequently used features and controls according to specific preference and application. From the factory, Multifunction 1 is set to Quick Shift, while Multifunction 2 is the horn. L-Series loaders can be equipped with a front-locking differential and an optional rear-locking differential. These differentials can be applied on the go under power. The 844L aggregate handler does not have differential locks. L-Series loaders have soft stops to cushion the machine when cylinders reach the end of their stroke. Electrohydraulic EH soft stop disable disengages all soft stops for 8 seconds when the button is depressed. This industry-exclusive feature enables the operator to optimize bucket wrap-out or aggressive bucket loading, which reduces bucket carryback and restores bucket capacity. Load count allows the operator to track the number of trucks or bucket loads via the monitor. Press the bottom section of the button to add a count to the total. To reset, press and hold the same button until the counter clears. Category increment allows the operator to keep track of bucket or truck loads for up to 5 materials. A press of the button will toggle to the next material category. Add bucket can be programmed when using a payload scale system. A press of the button adds the weight in the bucket to the total amount. EH Precision Mode allows for precise movements of boom and bucket functions. Operators can use this feature when craning objects, using forks, or performing fine-grade operations. Quick Shift functions as a transmission kickdown. Quick Shift is useful when approaching the face of a pile in which first gear is anticipated. With Quick Shift, the operator can get to first gear faster, which improves load time.